You've probably had a tuna melt before, but have you ever had a spicy tuna melt and made in the air fryer? I'm gonna show you how to make this dish that takes less than 15 minutes to make. For those of you that are new, welcome to Pockets of Protein, where we make all things high protein. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out, and let's get started. This recipe is a simple one. First, you're going to take some tuna. Here we're using skipjack wild tuna, so you're gonna take the entire can and put that in a bowl. Next, you'll add in chipotle mayo to the tuna, and you'll add in some cottage cheese, which is a great protein source. You'll add in onion powder, garlic powder, add in Louisiana Cajun seasoning, some sriracha. Now, if you are spice averse, you can skip this step, but you would add in some to your mix. Some Dijon mustard. And lastly, I like adding in black truffle chili crunch to pretty much everything that I cook. Then you'll take some green scallions and chop those up and add them to your tuna spice mix. Mix everything through until everything is evenly coated. You'll take a bagel and slather the mix on the two bagels. Once you've slathered your tuna spiced mix onto your bagels, you're going to add some mozzarella cheese or really any shredded cheese that you have available on top of the bagels. And then you're gonna add them to the air fryer at 400 degrees for 5 minutes. I would check every minute after the 5 minutes to make sure that your bagel doesn't burn. Once your bagels are done cooking in the air fryer, I just add on some white and black sesame seeds, and then that's it. I mean, I think the work of art speaks for itself. This is a meal that takes 10 to 15 minutes to make. It's packed with protein and it makes for a great lunch and dinner option. Here I have the macros listed, and as you can see, this meal packs a punch when it comes to protein, so you'll never have to worry about whether you're getting enough protein in with this dish. Like this video if you found it helpful, and share it with your friends and family who you think may benefit. Now, if you love chicken fried rice as a takeout option, you will love this recipe where I used quinoa instead of rice. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week.